The Samsung Galaxy S24 has arrived, and I think it is not just another free phone. This flagship device is packed with cutting-edge AI features that take mobile technology to a whole new level. From its intelligent camera to its personalized user experience, the Galaxy S24 is a true powerhouse of artificial intelligence. In this video, I will give you the overview of AI technology, that you should pay attention to it. So, first we have real-time call translation. This feature enables real-time voice translation during phone calls. It essentially functions as a personal translator that seamlessly bridges language barriers, fostering effortless communication with people worldwide.
Hola, esta llamada se está traduciendo y subtitular de forma simultánea.
Hello? Can I make a reservation for tomorrow at 7 p.m.?
Hola, ¿puedo hacer una reserva para mañana a las 7 de la noche?
Por supuesto. ¿Para cuántas personas?
Of course. For how many people?
Table for 2, please.
Mesa para dos, por favor.
¿A nombre de quién?
Under whose name?
Harrison.
Harrison.
Gracias. Nos vemos mañana a las 7 de la tarde.
Thank you. See you tomorrow at 7 p.m.
Second, Expressive Styles. These features, seamlessly integrated within Google Messages on the Galaxy S24, elevate messaging to a more expressive and personalized experience. It will do formatting of messages according to mood. It uses Google Gemini Nano model in backend to perform all these tasks. Not only this, we can also create sticker from our photos in real time.
Into stickers and reactions, opening up whole new ways to express yourself. You can also make tone changes to your notes, chats, and social media using the Samsung keyboard. So, if you're writing a caption for your feed, you can apply this social tone for a more expressive, creative post. We're also making it easier to communicate while you're on the road.
Third, Transcript Assist. So, this feature effortlessly transforms voice recordings into accurate text. Means speech-to-text conversion. This is very helpful when you want to take notes from meetings or lectures. It identifies and labels individual speakers within recordings and even provides a summary of each recording. Fourth, AI-powered search. And I think this will gonna be one of the most coolest features of this smartphone. In this feature, we just have to circle, scribble or tap the thing which we want to search. And it will provide all the details about it. Let me show you a small video for understanding this feature.
Is wearing in their social post, but they didn't tag the brands. Today, if I see something I'm interested in, I'd have to take a screenshot and then leave the app to search it. And switching between different apps can be kind of inconvenient and take you out of your flow. But now, just long press the home button to invoke Circle to Search. And from there, you can select any item, like these sunglasses, to quickly uncover similar options and where to buy them.
So, what's your viewpoint on this new feature? Comment it to share your thought. Fifth, AI-powered camera. So unlike other smartphone camera, Galaxy S24 is equipped with a new AI processor called the Pro Visual Engine that can analyze scenes in real time and optimize settings for the perfect shot. It allows us to take 8K video recording at 24 frames per second. It comes with many great features like scene recognition and optimization, which means, if you're taking a picture of a sunset, the camera will automatically boost the saturation and contrast to make the colors pop. Object recognition and tracking. Super Night Solution.
It's easy to shoot far, even in the dark.
Director's View, in which it captures multiple perspectives of a scene simultaneously, then choose the best one later. Object Eraser, which is capable of removing unwanted objects from your photos. So, I believe I have covered almost all the major AI updates for the Galaxy S24, and I hope you will enjoy this video. Like and subscribe for more tech updates.